Hi kids! Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 creatures. The first one is a monkey. It is so cute. The second one is a bear. Third one is a dinosaur. The last one is also a dinosaur. This is theropods. Let's join them again. Green color, white color, light green color, bear, yellow color, light green color, wow! Green colored dinosaur,
Hiya!
brown color, wow, colored crayons. Let's open it. So many colors. Black color, blue color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, dark brown color, light green color, brown color, red color, orange color, white color, yellow color. Now keep them aside.
No.
Our first color is sky blue. S for sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. Orange color. T for tiger. Tiger is an animal. Green color. U for unicorn. Unicorn is an imaginary horse. Red color. V for violin. Violin is an instrument. Purple color. W for woodpecker. Woodpecker is a bird. Brown color. X for xylophone. Xylophone is an instrument. Blue color. Y for yak. Yak is an animal. Our last color is yellow. Z for zebra. Zebra is an animal. Let's say with me kids. S-T-U V-W-X Y-Z. Bye bye kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.